Hey, welcome back. Today the Zforce is getting whiskey bent. Went and got whiskey bent tip. I'm gonna put that on today. Along with I got the flat disc spark arrestor. Then stick around. I got some updates to show you about the light bar I put on, the rock lights, and we finished up on the switch panel. Alright, we're back. Should be super easy. 3 10mm nuts. And whiskey bent's tip does come with 3 new nuts. Because who doesn't like new nuts with their tip? There was some back and forth on going whose tip I was going to put on my machine. And I finally come to the conclusion that whiskey bent, made in Michigan. I live in Michigan, so why not? That's what the old little guy looks like compared to the big fat one. I think that's 2 inches. Well, the holes are closed, but a little bit of force is going to be involved, I guess. Alright, I gotta put you down. I'm gonna make the one hole a little bit bigger. Be right back. Okay, I got that hole figured out. Left some blood behind. So if you wanna plan on doing this, maybe wear gloves. Who knows? Old nuts I took off came with a washer and a lock washer. The new kit only has these flat washers on it. Let's see if that makes a difference down the road. Might have to tighten them up every few hours. torque down the German specs. Good and tight. I'll set you guys up and fire her up. See what she sounds like. Overall, I think that sounds a little better. They claim that exhaust temperatures will be significantly decreased also. Got some rock lights installed while I was gone. Put them here on the back on both sides. On the front, I did it here. Also got the aux beam. It's a 42-inch RGB light bar. Along with their panel. Got that buttoned up also. Yeah, it's bright. Just a little color. The rock lights and the light bar use the same app. Two different companies. They use the same app so you can sync them together. That's Trooper. Say hi, Trooper. He thinks I'm out here to play with him. Other than that, that's all we've got done so far today. I still have a project coming up for the back half. Stay tuned for that. If there's anything else you guys want to see, just drop a comment down below. And if you want to like and subscribe, that'd help me out too. I got some other plans of some whip lights, and I want to put a rear chase bar on. First time I took it down the road, we found out all the dust coming behind you. Nobody can see behind you. So that's the plan. Also, I took off the front windshield to put the light bar on. So I'm thinking of getting a nice half windshield that. Might even go with this 3-star just like I had before. Alright, thanks for joining me. Come back another time.